So it is your duty, Jackson, to love Heather in the same way that Christ loves the church, which means to love her sacrificially, unconditionally, and wholeheartedly.
Girl, where's your hometown? Are those your mama's eyes? What are you doing for the rest of your life? 'Cause I'm already thinking about you and me getting out of here and taking a drive.
Jackson, you're an exceptional man, strong, highly intelligent, and a man of integrity. I have seen how loving you are to my Heather and our family, and that means everything. Thank you for being a blessing in her life.
I'm already calling you mine. Whoa.
Jackson, can't believe it's our wedding day. I started dreaming of this day after I met you. You're so incredibly kind, patient, loving, hardworking, smart, handsome, and handy. These are all the qualities I hope for in my husband, but you are so beyond these. I appreciate all that you do for me and our future. I love you so much.
That don't mean we can't take the long way home, home, home. 'Cause I'm already thinking about you and me getting out of here and taking a drive. Just slide a little closer, put your head on my shoulder like this ain't our first time. Girl, don't worry about holding on tight, 'cause I'm already calling you mine.
Heather, love of my life. On this day, I take you as my wife, and we set out together on this wonderful journey called life. As I'm standing here looking at how gorgeous you are, inside and out, I can't help but think that I'm the luckiest man alive.
Jackson, you are the most loyal, humble, and hardworking man I know, and I am honored that I get to be by your side through life. You are my hero, and how proud I am of you and all that you accomplish. I love you.
This ain't our first time. Girl, don't worry about holding on tight, 'cause I'm already calling you mine. Whoa, whoa, I'm already calling you mine. Whoa, whoa.
Jax, you may kiss your wife.
From the city won't change us, we beat to the same drum. No, we won't forget where we came from. The city can't change us, we beat to the same drum, the same drum. No matter where we go, we always find a way back home.
You two are truly perfect for each other, and I love that so much. I would like to raise a glass and tell you that we are all here to say good morning, we love you.
You will go, and we will go together over the waters of time. No one else will travel through the shadows with me. Only you, evergreen, ever sun, ever moon. I am your dream. So please raise your glasses in a toast. Jackson and Heather, now entwined in reality, as well as in each other's dreams. To Heather and Jax.
Find our way back home.